Welcome back to MrYouWho, and I've got one word to say: wow. The Shure Aonic 50 headphones really are fantastic. I've had the pleasure of being able to test them for over a week now, and I've found the sound quality just to be exceptional. I mean, they really are beautiful looking headphones. So in this review, we're going to unbox the headphones, look at the features, we're going to test the headphones out, so look at how the sound quality works, how they work out and about. We're then going to go into a MrYouWho question time to look at key questions that people have about the headphones. Now, Shure have been around for many years and they're leaders in the audio industry, and these headphones really are a culmination of that experience and that dedication to their customers' experience. They really are fantastic. So you're going to have a real treat today looking at these. Now, also, it's MrYouWho's 1 year birthday since our brand got created. So happy birthday to MrYouWho. So I hope you guys can throw a little party for us. And thanks for all your support. So now what we're going to do is let's jump in and have a look at the headphones. Make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thank you again for joining us here at MrYouWho. So let's now jump in and unbox the Shure Aonic 50 wireless headphones. As you can see, here's the box. It's a nice quality box. And there's the back is some of the key features, which we will be going into shortly. So you can look out for that. So what we'll do now is we'll take off the box and have a look at what's inside. So there is the case. Now the case itself is 15 centimeters wide. So there it is there. I actually really like this case. So let's open up and have a look what's inside. So there is the headphones. So in the case you have the instruction booklet, how to use the headphones. You've got the card, specification card for Shure as well. You also have the 3.5mm cable, which allows you to use the headphones wired, which doesn't matter if they run out of batteries, which is good. And you've also got the adapter, so you can use this to charge the headphones through adapter, but you can also use the USB-C adapter for music as well, which we'll go through shortly. And here are the headphones. They really are beautiful looking headphones. So what we'll do now is we'll look at the headphones in more detail. Now let's have a look at the actual Shure Aonic 50 headphones. So the first thing I love is this design and the style of the headphones. They really do have a luxury feel to them, and you can see the craftsmanship that's been done with them. Firstly, you can see the leather headband at the top, which is brown leather. Now, it's also adjustable depending on your head size, and it's got lovely, comfortable padding, which is like a memory foam padding, which you can remove to be washed as well. It makes it very, very extremely comfortable, and you can also move the cups around if you want to have them stored. Now let's have a look at some of the controls. So here you have the USB-C socket. So the headphones should go from empty to flat within 2 hours of charging. And it also readies as a data port as well, so you can use them digitally with headphones. You've also got a power on and off button there that readies these noise cancelling headphones to Bluetooth pairing as well. Further along the cup, there are 2 more sets of controls. So your volume up, your volume down. You've also got the play, pause, answer, decline call there, and activate Google Assistant, which works really well. Now, you've also got a headphone jack over here. So that's 2.5mm to 3.5mm headphone jack. And you can actually plug the headphones in and use them when they're not charged as well via that. So moving along the controls here. So here you have the noise cancellation. So bottom is put noise cancellation on, middle is off, and the top one is for environment mode. Now this last feature, it amplifies external sounds, so you can carry on a conversation while wearing the headphones. It also makes you more safe when you're out and about, so trying to cross roads, etc. Again, I love the design of the headphones. They really are beautiful, lovely luxury feel, and when you actually hold the headphones yourself, you can see exactly what I mean. Beautiful. Well done, guys. I see a little silhouette of a shadow. Sorry, I got really caught up in the music just then. Listen to Queen's Bohemian Rhapsody. The actual music is incredible with these. The uplifting tones, the beats, it really comes together. It's quite incredible and a new experience for me. So yeah, fantastic, Shure, really well done. But it's when you put the headphones on, the really comfort really sets out as well. So when you put it on, it feels like you've got a lovely warm pillow on your head. It's so comfortable. It feels like I could have a sleep, and that's why you kind of get absorbed into the sound, because of the comfort of the headphones. My ears sit comfortably in the cups, and I could see myself wearing them for hours. And the last few weeks, I have actually worn them for hours. So fantastic. But it's when you turn on the music where the fun really starts. The music is exceptional. I listen to a lot of uplifting house music myself. Back in the days of clubbing in London, and it actually feels like I'm in the club. It's quite incredible. I love the clear beats, the tone, the sound. It really feels like you're there. I've also listened to everything from rock, jazz, classical, hip hop, and most of the time I get lost in the music. I could be doing something and forget where I was because it's that powerful. The clarity, the crispness of the sound, and the depth of music is incredible. And the booming beats you can really hear. You really are getting amazing sound quality with the Shure Aonic 50s. I mean, they're fantastic. And normally I do a sound test so we could actually hear what they sound like, but because the sound is so good, I'll be doing these a disservice to be playing them through my speakers. You really need to listen and hear them yourself and see how they sound. So they've also got a Shure app which you can use to download, and you can set the music as well to set different sounds, equalizer settings, which I'll be going through shortly in MrYouWho. The other thing I love about the headphones as well is the battery life. So you can get 20 hours out of these beauties, and it only takes 2 hours to charge, which is really good. So, I mean, sound quality is just extraordinary. They're excellent headphones. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go and have a look at how they sound with voice quality, which I think is very, very important. So we'll cut across and look at that now. Okay. So in regards to call quality, the headphones are exceptional. It sounds like you're actually better than using the phone. They're perfect for conference or video calls. It blocked out external noise as well, so even in a busy place, you can use the headphones for talking on the calls. So they're actually perfect for regular call use. Very, very good. Excellent microphones. Now, I hope you could see there how clear the call quality was for the call I made then. So another one of the really important factors for me in the Shure Aonic 50s is the noise cancellation technology. So what I thought I'd do is I'm going to go take the headphones to the Story Bridge, which is just down the road from me, one of the busiest bridges in Brisbane in Australia. And I'm going to put the sound on there and put the noise cancellation on. I'm going to have a listen to it and you'll see what my results are. So let's do that now. Guy! I'm using the headphones on a really busy road, and as you can see, cars and trucks are whooshing by my head, and I can hardly hear them as well, if not at all. The noise cancellation is actually excellent. The sound comes out really, really clearly, and if I can wear them on a road like this, then you could easily wear them on a plane, on a train, in busy traffic. They really are excellent, and I can actually enjoy the sound experience standing here on the bridge. So great job. Okay, so as you could see there, it was great to use them in heavy traffic. I could still hear the music really, really clear. And that also reflects what I've done when I've been using them to commute as well on the trains. The great noise cancellation technology filters out the noise. And then again, when you want to answer calls, you can put on the environment switch, and allows you to be able to dampen noise cancellation and still be able to make calls and speak to people as well, which is really good. Great job. So we'll go now and have a look at how you can also use them in the wired way as well. I love to play my Xbox and love to watch movies through the Xbox, so we'll just see now how this actually works. Let's duck across there right now. Okay! I'm passionately playing a video game wired in through the Xbox controller. But you can also use USB-C digital input for high resolution audio through things such as your laptop as well. So being wired in is really good, and it gives great sound quality too. So you can even watch all your best movies with the exceptional sound. Loving a video? Want to fix some more MrYouWho? Jump on our website, www.MrYouWho.com, for a range of articles, reviews, blogs and products that you can have a look at. See you there. Okay! Now Andrew, make sure when you start filming you're not listening to... Sorry, again, got caught away listening to music. A bit more Queen actually. As you can see, fantastic headphones, really good to use, and they really do reflect the premium quality. What you pay for, you're actually getting with these, and more than above. So fantastic headphones. Great job, Shure. Now we're going to go and have a look at MrYouWho and go through some of the common questions people have had regarding the headphones. And we'll also demonstrate how the music app works. So let's jump across there to MrYouWho. Welcome to MrYouWho question time. Really excited to be going through some of the key questions some of our viewers have had regarding the Shure Aonic 50 headphones. So let's just jump in. So the first question is, how does a Shure app work? So you need to download the Shure Plus app from either Android or Apple stores, which I've already done here. And now what you can do is, by doing that, you can then go in and control the noise cancellation intensity and also how much environmental noise you let in through the app, which you can see here. It also allows you to check your battery levels, play local music files, and receive firmware updates on the headsets as well, which are really good. So it's a really handy app. But also you can go into the equalizer and choose different equalization settings for your headset. So you can see the preset ones as shown here, but you can go and create your own one as well, and go and set different sound levels, how you want your headphones to sound, which I think is a real plus to this, being able to control the quality of the sound coming to your headphones. It's really good. So yeah, the second question is, how good is a noise cancellation? Well, you saw before when I was on the bridge with the headphones on, and I could hardly hear any traffic noise, and that was with trucks thundering past my heads. These are fantastic if you're going to be commuting, on trains, on planes, if you're out and about, you know, they're fantastic. And I was vacuuming the floor, and even vacuuming the floor, you can't actually hear the vacuum going, and I've got a pretty loud vacuum. It's really good actually if you're at home and you don't want to be speaking to your significant other, you can just put them on. Did that before, don't tell them. Noise cancellation is fantastic, and I'd say probably best in the market with these headphones. Really, really good. So the third question is, what color do the headphones come in? Well, they come in lovely brown, which I've got here. They also come in black as well, which is also another really nice color. Two great color choices, guys, really good. So the fourth question is, how good is the connection quality? Well, it comes with Bluetooth, as we spoke about earlier, but also comes with a 2.5mm jack, which goes into the headphones, which enables you to even use them if they don't have any charge in there. The Bluetooth headphones also come with Bluetooth 5.0, which gives you up to 10 meters wireless range. Now with that 10 meters wireless range as well, that's where you get the 20 hours battery life as well. Obviously it uses it up. Great news for audiophiles as well. The headphones also support all the major Bluetooth codecs as well. So great news if you want to use those with it. And also it supports Bluetooth multipoint too, which means you can have different devices connected at one time. So you can be listening to music as well as doing incoming calls on your computer, which I found really, really handy as well. So great headphones. And if you've got any other questions, make sure you put them in comments below on the video. And thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho question time. Now, I really hope you enjoyed the review and unboxing of these Shure Aonic 50 headphones today. You can really see my passion behind the headphones, and from now they're going to be a staple part of my audio experience from going on now. I mean, listening to them for over a week, I really can't go out without them now. I put them off in the morning, listen to them all the time, and I love them. And I guess the reason why is it's not only the quality of the build, the quality of the style, and the audio quality, and the great noise cancellation, but the fact is they're just so comfortable. You want to use them all the time, and to go from these to other types of sound headphones, you can tell straight away. So Sure, you've done a great job. They tick all the boxes, and they really are probably the best headphones out there in the marketplace. So Sure, you've done a great job. Congratulations. So make sure you let me know in comments below what you think of the Shure Aonic 50 headphones, whether you tried them out. Also look for our other videos at MrYouWho. Again, thanks for supporting us. 1 year old. I mean, it's been great, and we've really enjoyed the journey, and there's a lot more to come. So yeah, so thanks for joining us here at MrYouWho, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on the notification button. We'll have links below as well if you wish to purchase these beautiful headphones. But Sure, with the Shure Aonic 50 headphones, you've done a fantastic job. Good work. So thanks for joining us again at MrYouWho.